Today, I'm going to take you on the journey. I'm doing a very simple natural hair care wash day routine. Remember, we don't need to complicate things. I'm keeping it as simple. Anybody can follow this routine that we're on. We're on the journey together. A natural hair care challenge for 2024. So I trust that you want to come on this journey with us, and you can say in the comment section whether or not you are going to be coming with us. I've dropped a video. You can actually check that video out as to the process, what we intend to do, and you can listen to that video and decide whether or not you want to join in. It's very simple, guys. I promise you. So for me, what I do, I take out the twist, and you may be asking, why are you removing the twist? Can't you just wash it like that? Sure, you can wash it. But for me, if I do that, I'm asking for disaster. Twist does not work for me if I try to wash my hair. Oh no, absolutely not. There are some person who said it's best for them to put their hair in twist, then they shampoo. That does not work for me. I have to put them in some jumbo braids, and once I'm shampooing the ear, then I pull each braid out, wash the ear, then I rebraid it. So I don't really do it tight. I just do it enough so it doesn't pull apart. One of these days I will show you how I actually wash my hair, but unfortunately I'm not able to show you that, but I can tell you exactly what I do. So now that you see me doing it in this jumbo braid, you notice how it is not very tight. I'm just doing it so that it does not come apart. I go to the next side and I do the same thing. I'm basically doing it in 4 sections. That has worked tremendously for me. So I go to the back and I give it the same love. Then I will shampoo. Pull down each braid, wash it, then put it back into the braid. It makes the process of handling my hair so much easier. Once I'm done with that, then I'm going to go in and then I'm going to shampoo. I'm going to use some deep conditioning treatment. So I've just completed washing the hair. I'm going with the deep conditioning treatment. So I'm using aloe vera in this deep conditioner. I have told you countless times, you don't have to go out and buy expensive products. You can just always get a simple shampoo or a simple conditioner and add your natural products to it. So that's what I did. I got an aloe vera because we know aloe vera, it straightens the hair, it helps with the shine, and I don't recommend using aloe vera every single day, to be honest, or every single week. But you should know, if it works for you, then by all means, go in and use it. But it doesn't work for me because right now I find that my hair is a bit dry because I was using aloe vera in an oil that I have, and I also have it into the deep conditioning treatment. So I think that's too much. So I'm going to stop using it a little and see if that will assist with what I'm going through right now. So I'm going to go through apply to the hair. Once I'm done applying it to the hair, I tell you, it felt so soft. Look at that. Look how my hand is going through it so much easier. I went ahead and I braided. Now I'm actually showing you this section, and that is why it's important to do your hair in smaller section. You notice in the middle of that one, there's no product got in there, and so it's important that you do your hair in smaller sections, so at least every strand will get touched of the goodness that you're putting in your hair. So that's what I will do. And then once I'm done with that, I put them all back into a jumbo braid, and then I will put a shower cap on, which is what you will see me doing. Let me tell you something, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Then you're just gonna cover your hair, and if you have extra work to do in the house, you can go around and do it. Keep it for at least an hour if you're not doing if you're not using a steamer. If I'm using the steamer, I'll do like half an hour or 20 minutes. You want to get some heat in the hair. Currently I need to work on the hydration of my hair. My hair is a little bit dry. I think I have an idea what has caused it, and so I'm working on that. Remember, we're also saying drink up the water. 2 to 3 bottles per day. This is my first one at 3 o'clock. Oh my God, I still have one more to go. But I'm saying to you guys, make sure you're drinking up your water. Have you washed your hair already? Have you put in your protective style? The next video that I will be dropping will be showing you the protective style that I have done, and we will just show you everything. And I hope you are on the journey with us. And if you are not, it's not too late to start. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please enjoy the journey. If you're not enjoying the journey, then there's no fun to it. I need you to enjoy. Have you started to exercise as yet? I see you. Make sure you're doing those exercise. Keep it simple, guys. Remember, simple routine is what we say. Start where you are and use what you have. You don't need a lot to start. Just do it. And it's bye for now, guys, until my next video that I'm going to drop with my protective style.